Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Elite English YouTube channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hi, everyone. It's a very special day today. I am so happy to be here with you.
Yes, it is very special. Paul, do you know what day it is today?
Let me think. It's Wednesday, December 31st, 2025. The year is almost over.
Exactly. This is our last podcast episode of 2025. Can you believe it?
Wow, no, I can't believe it. Time really does fly by. It feels like just yesterday we were planning for this year.
2025 was such a big year for us. It's incredible to look back and see everything we've accomplished.
It really was. I feel a little emotional today. We started this year with a small dream, and now look at us. We've learned so much, and we've helped so many people learn too.
I agree. I think this has been the year of growth, not only for us, but for our listeners as well. Every week, I see so many people speaking better English, and that's what makes me feel so proud.
Yes, and it's not just about speaking better English, it's about confidence. I see so many people, even our beginners, gaining more confidence to speak, make mistakes, and try new things. That's what matters the most.
Before we talk about our plans for next year, we want to say something really important to everyone listening. Paul, you want to say it?
Of course, Emily. A huge thank you to all of you.
Thank you for every like you gave our videos. Thank you for every time you clicked the subscribe button. It helps our channel grow so much.
And thank you for the comments, Emily. I absolutely love reading them. Every morning, I drink my coffee and read the comments from our students. Some comments are funny, others are inspiring, and some are just so heartwarming.
Me too, Paul. It's my favorite part of the day. Some people share stories about their families. Some tell us about their jobs. Some even tell us about their challenges with English. It feels like we're all part of one big, supportive family.
Yes, we see people from so many different countries and parts of the world. When you share our podcasts with your friends and family, it makes us so happy. It's like we're all connected through the power of learning.
We want to thank you for your trust. We know that learning English is a journey. It's a long road, and we're so honored that you're walking this road with us.
That's right. And let's be honest, learning English is not always easy. Sometimes it feels like it's just too much to handle.
Oh, I know. English has many difficult words, confusing rules, and fast talking. It can be really stressful. I know there were times this year when I felt overwhelmed by all the grammar rules, or when I had to speak in a meeting and couldn't find the right words.
Yes, exactly. Like when I had to explain those complicated numbers in that big report. I was so tired and stressed. Or that time when you were running around looking for the perfect blue dress for the wedding. You were so nervous about picking the right one.
Exactly. But that's life. It's not perfect, and that's okay. We keep things real here. We want to help you with real English for real situations. We want to help you navigate through these challenges so that you feel more confident when facing them.
That is our goal. We want to give you content that truly helps you, not just grammar rules or vocabulary lists, but real-life conversations. How to talk to a friend, how to manage your time, how to handle stress, and how to feel confident.
We are so happy that you are with us on this journey. Thank you for staying with us, even when the lessons were a little difficult. It's amazing to see your progress.
You are all so brave. Speaking a new language takes a lot of courage. I admire all of you for trying, even when it feels challenging. We see your growth, and we are so proud of you.
Yes, we are. So, Paul, 2025 is almost over. Can you believe it? What do you think we're doing for 2026?
Oh, 2026! I am so excited. It's going to be a year of big challenges and even bigger rewards. Plans for the Elite English YouTube channel.
Yes, we want to make the podcasts even better for you. We are working on new ideas, new topics, and new ways to help you improve your listening skills. We might even add a few surprises along the way.
Ooh, surprises. I love surprises.
Me too! We want to bring the best English content to everyone around the world. We want to keep improving our videos, our stories, and everything we do.
So everyone, please stay tuned. Stick with us next year, because we have many exciting things coming your way. It's going to be an amazing year. We want to be your English partners for a long, long time.
I agree, Paul. I'm ready for the challenge. Are you ready?
I'm more than ready. I've got my notebook and my pen, and I'm ready to plan a wonderful 2026.
That's the spirit. But before we say goodbye to 2025, let's take a moment to remember what we talked about today.
That's a great idea. We talked about how 2025 was a year of a lot of learning and growth for everyone.
Yes, and we gave a huge thank you to all of you for your support, the likes, shares, and amazing comments.
We also talked about how learning English is a journey. It's not always easy, but we're here to help with real-life situations. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes.
We're also really excited about next year. 2026 will be full of big projects, surprises, and lots of new ways to help you improve your English.
Yes, 2025 was a year of growth, friendship, and learning. We are so lucky to have you as part of this journey.
Me too, Paul. I feel so grateful for everything this year has brought. Well, everyone, that's it for 2025.
Thank you again for your trust and your time. You are the reason we make these podcasts. Please don't forget to leave one last comment for 2025. Tell us, what was your favorite thing you learned this year? Or share your English goal for 2026. We love reading your plans.
Yes, share this episode with a friend who's starting their English journey too. And we'll see you very soon in the new year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year! See you in 2026.
Bye-bye.
Bye!